Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing solved assignment of bbcet143. This assignment is valid from 1st January 24 to 31st December 24. These are the questions asked in assignment. Question number 1. Explain the contribution of the following scientists in the field of microbiology: Louis Pasteur, Francisco Redi, Antonio van Leeuwenhoek, Robert Koch, Joseph Lister. Question number 2. First part, compare bacteria, archaea and eukarya in terms of their cell wall, membrane lipids, gas vesicles, mRNA, introns and size of ribosomes. Second part of this question is explain the basis of phenetic and genotypic system of classification. Question number 3, first part, explain the lytic and lysogenic modes of replication of bacteriophages with a suitable diagram. Second part of this question is how is nucleic acid composition used for taxonomic determination? Question number 4, first part, which three modes of reproduction are present in algae? Second part of this question is write any 5 characteristics of a typical eubacteria. Question number 5, first part, write a brief note on purple sulfur bacteria and give 2 examples. Second part of this, what are rickettsia? Write their characteristics. Question number 6, first part, explain the replication cycle of poliovirus with suitable diagram. Second part of this question is write characteristics of Euglenophyta. Question number 7, first part, illustrate economic importance of algae in food industry using any 5 examples. Second part of this question is what are rhizomorphous and sclerotia? Explain their role in fungi. Question number 8, first part, give a brief account of mycosis. Second part of this question is how do protozoa obtain their nutrition? Question number 9, differentiate between the following terms, passive and facilitated diffusion. Second part is nutrient medium and selective medium. Question number 10, first part, what is biofilm, how it is important? Second part of this question is write the industrial process of yogurt production.